Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. And before starting, I must let you know that our next test series, that is next agriculture optional test series has started. Not started, but yeah, it is going to start from 3rd November and the students are started to join in. And if you want to join in, you can simply message on WhatsApp number 77818 33440, and the seats are limited. 77818 33440 WhatsApp number, and the seats are limited, and the discounted price of the test series will be 999. The normal price is 1499, but if you join in stipulated time within stipulated number, that is if you join in the limited seats, you will get it at 999. So if you want to join it, please do message us on WhatsApp number this, and also for complete details you can message on this number. Okay, if you want to get to know about the complete details. So this was all I wanted to let you know. Now let's focus on answer. So today's question is, briefly discuss price instability and its types and write down the measurement of price instability. So the question is simply asking about a price instability, what are its types, and the second part of the question is asking about measurement of price instability. And this question was asked in this year's UPSC, that is UPSC 2024, that is agriculture optional paper of UPSC 2024. So we will see how we can approach this answer. So first of all, we should know what price instability is. So simply, as the name suggests, the price instability is nothing but fluctuations in the prices of goods and services over time. It is fluctuations in prices of goods and services over time. You can simply decode from here only. Price instability, that is, the price is not stable. Sometimes it is getting higher, sometimes it is getting lower. So, and creating and through this, what happens through these fluctuations? The price fluctuations are creating uncertainty for consumers, not only for consumers, for producers also. Suppose there is a farmer, so price instability is coming up with some certain things for the farmers also, you can say producers and other stakeholders involved, either it be business makers, policy makers. It brings uncertainty for all of them. So this is what simple definition of price instability is, and this is what you can write in your introduction, or it will be uh, simply about this part of the question. Now moving ahead, you will find its types. So we have to discuss the types of price instability. Types. So first of all, we will be discussing the types on the basis of time. On basis of time, that is, for how much time the price instability is persisting. So the first one is short term instability. Short term short term instability, and it is also known as seasonal price variation. Seasonal price variation. So I don't think I have to explain that much here, as the name suggests, that here the instability in prices, the fluctuations in prices is for a particular season. Okay, so this is what. Secondly, that there is intra-year instability. That is in a year, that is, it is due to behavior of prices in seasonally in a year. Okay, it could be for 4 months, it could be for 6 months, it could be 8 months, that is in a year only. So seasonally in a year. Next we have inter price instability. Inter sorry, inter-year instability. Inter-year instability. So this was intra-year and this is inter-year. That means that it remains for 1 year, from 1 year to another. Suppose this price instability was in this year, so it remains from for to another year also, to second year also. So when the price variations occur from 1 year to second year, then they are known as inter-year, as the name only suggests. Now the next one is long-term instability. That is, instability is persisting for a long time now. It is not for 1 or 2 years, it is persisting for 4 years, 5 years, and that is the most dangerous form of instability. So these are the four types of instability on basis of time. Now there are four types of instability on basis of, not four types, now we will see the types on basis of frequency, or you can say on basis of strength. Okay, the instability is of lesser strength or of higher percent. The instability could be of 2% of price also. This instability could be of 20% of price also. Okay, so that is what type of intensity or what type of strength is of price instability. So first one is inflation. In inflation, that is normal rising of prices. Then we have deflation, that is reducing of prices, or you can say decline in prices. Then we have hyperinflation, that is, so also it is increase in prices, it is decrease in prices. Hyperinflation is the extreme form of inflation, that there is high increase in prices. Okay, suppose inflation could be of 10%, 8%, 15%. These are simple inflations. But hyperinflation is, that is inflation of more than 50%. That is extreme form of inflation. Then there is stagflation, that is inflation with stagnation. Inflation is also there, plus stagnation is also there. Okay, so then we have disinflation. Disinflation, that is, the inflation is now decreasing. So this increase and decrease in prices are the types, another form of types. That could be inflation, deflation, hyperinflation, stagflation, disinflation. So I hope you understand this. So these are the various types of price instability on the basis of time also, and on the basis of strength also. We have discussed both the things, and I hope you understand these things. Now, when you look at the second part of the question, it is asking about write down the measurement of price instability. How can we measure price instability? Measurement. So for measuring, we have various kind of indexes through which we can measure. First one is the consumer price index. Consumer price index, which is also known as CPI. So it measures the price instability from consumer ends. Then we have producer price index. Producer price index, which measures the price in relation to producer's end. Then we have wholesale price index, WPI, wholesale. This is wholesale. It looks for the price as compared to a big marketable man, who is, suppose you have many times since the wholesale market players, okay, who sell the things in bulk, or many times act as the link between producers and consumers. So there is wholesale price index. Then we can measure inflation rate. What is the rate of inflation? Suppose in India, RBI is measuring inflation rate. Then we can measure volatility index. It is also known as fear index. That is due to the fear that in market there will be lot of price fluctuations. That is why it is named as fear index. Then we can measure from other things also, such as consumer confidence index. Sorry, just a second. consumer confidence index. It is not directly measure of price instability, but indirectly by measuring the confidence of consumer in the market, we can measure it. We can measure for exchange rate fluctuations. So these are the types of measurements through which we can measure the price instability. And I think I have discussed 5 6 points, 5 6 types of measures. And for a 10 marker question, 5 points are enough. Okay, if you write 5 points, because there are 2 3 subdivisions of the questions, so that will be enough. So I hope you understand the various types of measurements, and I hope you understand all the parts of question. You understand what price instability is, you understand what are its types, and you understand the measurement of price instability. So that is all for today. And please do join the test series, because it is in very economical price. When you compare it with any standard or any coaching institution, it is more than 10K in some months also. But here we are 1 by 10th of the price. It's only 999, and we will offering 14 tests, that is 8 sectional and 6 full. So please join it, and please do message on this number, or you can also message on Telegram. Anywhere you want to contact with us, contact us and get into the test series. It will be very helpful to you, and you will be into a very good zone in answer writing. Okay, so please do join it. So that is all for today. If you like it, please press the like button, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos, bring such courses for you on regular basis. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.